What does it mean if my house's slab is starting to look like it's raising or raised or lifted?
Yeah, so this I run across probably once a week. So homeowners will see like a lift, a raised area of their concrete slab. So what that could mean is a number of things. It could mean that there's a tree root navigating its way in and finding some water leak on lifting up the concrete slab and causing a crack or a crown. Or it could be the soil is heaving in that area. In South Orange County and a lot of areas, there's expansive clay soils which will heave up the concrete. Or it could really mean what we run into every day, is that there's settlement and it's not lifting. But that's just the high point of the area that they're noticing. So if you see drywall cracks, heave, if you have a tree that's dangerously close to your house and the roots are getting in, or if you have expansive clay soils, feel free to call that number below and get a specialist like me out there.
Thanks, Mark. I think you hit the nail on the head with that one. Like I said, there could be numerous things that happen that make it perceive like your slab is raising or heaved. And Mark made some really good points. So like he said, if you have any questions or additional questions, feel free to reach out and we can help to answer any additional ones that you may have. And thanks again for joining us with another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.